Yo, what's up YouTube guys? So this is a video on how you can order and take products from MyCNBOX using MyCNBOX website, and I will show you how you can search products on the internet like Chrome Hearts hoodies, Chrome Hearts shirts, Supreme, all kinds of brands like Nike, Jordan, you know, like yeah. With this page I will show you how you can get your quality check, how you can get your order, and how to buy from this source. So first of all, I will check out my daily check-in. I will take this, and I will say it's not really relevant, the points in this app, because it won't save you anything, at least for me. So the best way to get like real offers and real deals is with the daily look spin, and you will take 30% off for delivery. Okay, so first of all, if you want to get some product on MyCNBOX, you will check like this search bar, and you will like Chrome Hearts. You will do something like this. You will click on search, and they will see link person error. Why? Because to avoid right here, you need to use a source like China source, and you can use these three sources that are mentioned here. You can use Alibaba 1688, Taobao, it's this one I guess, and this one I don't even know. But these providers or these sources are really hard to find, and you can actually check the review wall when almost all the common products are being like processed. But my suggestion is to take another webpage that will take you in the description. You can use this website, allows you to get exactly the product you want to buy, because you can check out the quality check before even buying. So right here I can actually get all the products I want, and this webpage shows you the redirect to MyCNBOX. So this is why I have both some product in Find QC, and whenever you want to get one, you just like check here, for example, shirt, sneakers, hoodies. You can have whatever you want, and you can like get the link of MyCNBOX. You get here the card, and then you buy. Okay, for example, if I'm going to buy Balenciaga, Chromie, Burberry like shorts, Supreme, Babe, Gucci, whatever you want, you can just like search here, and here you can actually search the brand. So for example, Chrome Hearts. Okay, so if you put in the search bar Chrome Hearts, you will take all the Chrome Hearts content out of here. And for example, you can get a belt for 2 euros. And you can have also caps and sunglasses, t-shirts like Babe, Chrome Hearts, and even socks, you know. Okay, so the way you can buy here is really simple. You can get whatever the product you want. I actually recommend more to get the most featured one, like 5-star, 47 likes and 69 sets. This is the amount of sets people have bought from, and you can actually get like, for example, this one, Chrome Heart hoodie, or I actually will buy the belt, and these are very good. So for example, you click here, you get this, and these are the image of the product actually. Okay, like same of Taobao or MyCNBOX product, but the most relevant part is here. You can get verified assets, premium QC authorized by MyCNBOX, and you have here the premium one. So you can get here video, like a 360 video of your product. You can check on view all, and you can see you actually have a lot of QCs are like quality checks, and this is the real product that arrives to your like delivery. So for example, I will check on view all. I will check this one, looks really good. This is a video, by the way. You can mute this, click, and you have this belt, and I actually prove that it's exactly whatever you receive. Okay, I have bought this one, exactly this one, and you get exactly this one. Okay, so you order this, deliver in your account, and you check and you buy. Okay, I will show you a tutorial on how to buy. For example, if you want to buy this belt or whatever you want, you click here on buy with MyCNBOX, and it will drop you a link, a referral link in my description that you can check it out, and it will help me a lot. Okay, you click on the item and you get this. Okay, you get this link. It's a 2 euros, and here is like 3. But yeah, some tens, so it doesn't take even effect. Okay, you check whatever you want. For example, I would take Victon. This one is cool, fire. And to take the picture of whatever you want, you click, for example, here. You go up, and you take it, and you have your picture here of whatever the product you want to buy. You can check it out, and the instruction here is very clear and very simple, and it is what actually it is. So you have the we buy for you, where MyCNBOX actually take the product from the source. Right here is like Taobao, or I don't know, or Weidian. Okay, Taobao 1688 and Weidian, and this is actually MyCNBOX original link, and you can check here the QCs. These are the most recent one. So if you buy and you get your QC will be here, because these are the most recent. Actually 15 is today, and whatever you want, I will choose this one, and you buy. Okay, you pay the product, you pay this amount. The seller of this product ships to you, to your warehouse, and then MyCNBOX get the item into your warehouse, okay, for free. in the warehouse, you have your product, and you have it for I guess it's 90 days. Okay, so you have your product here, and then when it is here, it will take a shipping amount. Okay, it will be like almost all the products in the list have like 2 euros for each. For example, this one will be like in total of 5 euros or $5, you know, and then you pay for the shipping, and it will take 10 to 15 days. Okay, so for example, if we want to buy this, you click here. First of all, here you add to the cart, and it will say QC photos available. Okay, this will say like you have QC photos for the product, and you can check on view photos or skip. I will actually view photos. Okay, you can check out this. Yeah, these are really cool. You can close, and you can have the cart. Okay, if you click on the cart, you will have the belt right here, and I have also more product, but never mind. And if you click right here, okay, it will put this item to your order. The process is you click here or all the items in your cart, you buy the items from the seller, they ship the item from the seller to your warehouse in MyCNBOX, and then you pay for the delivery. Okay, that's right. So for example, if I click the warehouse, I will not have anything, okay, because the last payment I have done is for the delivery. And if I go to my purchases, for example, I will take, as you can see, I have bought some Chrome, exactly like I have shown, and you have it right here. And when you pay for the Chrome Hertz belt right here, you pay the domestic shipping, that will be very low amount, you can check it right here, and the product price. So you pay the product and the domestic shipping, and then when you pay, they deliver it to the warehouse, to the MyCNBOX warehouse, and then you receive this, the QC video and pictures. Okay, and in my case, I have received this. Okay, this is not working right now, but in the moment I have bought this, it was working, and the pictures. But yeah, and I can tell to you that this is exactly what I have received. So when you have checked these images, you can say, yeah, it's okay. So delivery, and then you check it right here, and then you will have the product in your warehouse. Okay, you select it and you pay for the delivery. Right here I have this package, and if you can see, it's like a lot of product in my warehouse. I have checked it all, and I have paid for the delivery. In total it was like 100 for all the items and 50 for the delivery. So it's not actually cheap, but it's really comfort, because you can check whatever the item you want in QC, and then you pay for it on MyCNBOX, and it gets to your house. So if I check this, and here down below you can get the packaging images. Okay, this is very important, because as soon as you have your product package, you will have this packing image, and it will show you a picture of your actual package, and this is exactly what you have in your house when it arrives. So yeah, it works. And when you have this package in the warehouse, you just pay for the delivery and it goes to your house. So yes, this is almost all how it works, how MyCNBOX works, and I will be very grateful if you can actually take my link in my description. It's a referral link, so it will be very helpful. So yeah, that's the video, and I hope you have learned how to use MyCNBOX.